The gastric acid is secreted by which among the following cells? The correct answer is option B, parietal cells. Gastric acid, which is primarily HCl, hydrochloric acid, is secreted by the parietal cells in the lining of the stomach. These cells are located in the gastric pits of the stomach mucosa. So parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid, which is essential for activating pepsinogen into pepsin, an enzyme that breaks down proteins. And also it provides acidic environment, that is pH between 1.5 to 3.5, that aids in the digestion and kills harmful microorganisms, and also facilitate the absorption of vitamin B12. So the answer is option B, parietal cells. Whereas option A, gastrin secreting cells, secretes gastrin, a hormone that stimulates parietal cells to secrete hydrochloric acid. So option A is incorrect. Option C, peptic cells. So these secrete pepsinogen, an inactive enzyme that is converted into pepsin in the acidic environment of the stomach. So C is also incorrect. D, acidic cells. This is not a term used to describe any specific cells in the stomach, so D is incorrect.